master's degree in chemistry at the Faculty of Science and Mathematics, University of Niš, Serbia. Such as Indinavir sulfate may be effective in patients with advanced HIV disease who have received prior AZT therapy, since studies suggest that triple drug therapy may have an advantage over both monotherapy or two-drug therapy. The combination of Indinavir sulfate with AZT and 3-TC should be evaluated. Randomized to receive open-label AZT and 3-TC with or without Indinavir sulfate for at least 48 weeks. Patients who develop intolerance to AZT or have progressive disease after 24 weeks on study may substitute D4T for AZT. Patients are followed at weeks 4, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40th, and 48, and after 8 weeks thereafter up to 96 weeks. Shown that triple therapy is superior to double agent therapy. An open-label extension phase has been added for a period through 6/30/97, and patients who had been randomized to AZT 3-TC are given the option of continuing to assigned ACTG 320 study drugs, crossing over to open-label Indinavir, or permanently discontinuing all study therapies and going off the two exclusions criteria for being involved in a study. One of them is coexisting conditions. For example, patients with malignancy requiring systematic therapy other than minimal Kaposi sarcoma are excluded for these studies, and patients who use some of the medications, usually they are antiretrovirals other than study drugs, or investigational drugs other than Indinavir sulfate, or some herbal therapies. Recent studies have described a regression of Kaposi sarcoma in HIV-infected patients treated with a highly active antiretroviral therapy that contains at least one inhibitor of HIV protease, such as Indinavir. Experimental studies have shown that part of the anti-KS action of HIV protease are not related to their antiretroviral action, but at least in part to their capability of blocking angiogenesis and tumor growth. This study is first evaluation of Indinavir safety in classical KS population, determination of pharmacokinetic profile of Indinavir, evaluation of key Kaposi sarcoma biological endpoints, including markers of angiogenesis and tumor invasion, Th1 and Th2 polarization of the immune response, immune activation, and immune response to HHV8, herpes viruses, and common pathogens. Manufacturers and packagers of Indinavir. On this slide, you can see dosage form. Since Indinavir is made in a form of capsule, it can be taken orally. Also on this page, you can see prices and unit description and cost. On this final slide, you can see patient population in United States and Canada, as well as patient number and date of approval and estimated expiration date.